back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome to the channel. My name is Dashava Prajitska. I'm a graduated manual osteopath with National Academy of Osteopathy, and today I will be sharing with you how to stretch your chest. The stretches I'll be showing do target a bunch of different muscles as well as the chest. However, my main focus today will be the pectoralis major and the pectoralis minor. Now, these are two completely different muscles with two different motions located in the same area. The pectoralis minor, also known as the pec minor, is located underneath the pec major. It originates from the margins of the 3rd to 5th ribs, adjacent to the costochondral junction. So it's attached to your shoulder blade, and if it's tight, it can cause your shoulder blade to turn downwards, which can cause an impingement at your shoulder. The pec major, on the other hand, starts at the collarbone and the sternum, and it attaches to the actual arm itself. So when that muscle is tight, it causes your shoulder to turn inwards, which then results in poor posture. So for our first stretch, it is very simple. You can either do it seated or standing up. What you're gonna do is place your hands on your head with your elbows facing outwards, and you're gonna slowly bring your elbows towards the back. If you would like a deeper stretch, you can position your face slightly upwards, and you will feel the stretch all along your neck as well. The next stretch we're gonna do can also be performed standing or seated. You're gonna start off with your arms hanging by your side and shoulders pressed down away from your ears. Gently squeeze your shoulder blades together and broaden the chest. Bring the arms behind the back and grip elbow to elbow. Now for this stretch, you wanna make sure that your posture is done correctly, or else you won't feel it in your chest. For the next stretch, you will need to use a wall, and this exercise allows you to target each side separately. You're gonna start off by bringing your arm shoulder height and position the palm and inside of the arm on the wall surface. Your arm should be shaped like an L. You're gonna slowly start moving your chest through the open space, and you will start to feel a stretch in your chest. You can also move your arms slightly above or lower to feel the stretch in different areas. The next stretch we're gonna do is going to be an extended child's pose done on your fingertips. You're gonna kneel on the floor, touch your big toes together, and sit on your heels while separating your knees about as wide as your hips. You're gonna bend forward from the hips and walk your hands out as far as you can in front of you. Come onto your fingertips as if you have a ball underneath your palms and melt the chest towards the floor. Now for a deeper stretch, you can do the same exact exercise, but using a chair. You're gonna place your elbows onto the chair, walk your legs backwards, and bring your chest towards the ground. The next stretch, you're gonna use either a towel or a rope. You're gonna grab it with both hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart, and you're gonna bring your arms upwards and back. Once you reach the resistance point, hold this stretch for a couple of seconds. If you take your arms slightly wider, you might be able to bring your arms all the way backwards, and you can repeat this motion a couple of times. For our final stretch, you're going to interlace your hands behind your back and slowly lift your arms away from your body. Now that concludes all the stretches. I would recommend holding each stretch 15 to 30 seconds and repeating them 2 to 4 times. Now if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe, and I hope to see you with us next time.